Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you a super simple way to control a DC motor using the FlySky transmitter. No need for a brushed ESC or a microcontroller. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update from me. Typically, when controlling a DC motor, you need a brushed ESC or an Arduino setup. But that can be both expensive and a bit of a hassle. So in this video, I will show you an easier and budget-friendly alternative that works just like a brushed ESC. We'll be using the BTS7960 motor driver for this project, especially because I'm working with a high-torque gear motor. I'll use the circuit from a servo motor to send signals from the receiver directly to the motor driver. First, I'll connect the servo motor circuit to the RPWM and LPWM pins of the BTS7960 motor driver. I'm using a buck converter module. Setting its output voltage to 5 volt to power in the breadboard. Connect the battery source to the motor driver's input. The 5 volt output from the buck module will power the breadboard. Both enable pins of the motor driver will be connected to the positive terminal on the breadboard. The VCC of the motor driver will also go to the positive terminal, and the ground will connect to the breadboard's negative terminal. Then, connect the motor to the motor driver. Providing a 5 volt power supply from the buck module to the receiver. Lastly, I'll connect the signal terminal of the servo motor to channel 1 of the receiver. Let's test it. It's working perfectly. You can now control the motor's speed and direction using the joystick on your FlySky transmitter.